You are watching to learn some maths. Well done, you are on right channel. Hi, I am Brijesh Misra. Welcome to Power Education. And today we are discussing here higher order derivatives. When we talk of higher order derivatives, we simply mean the taking derivatives more than one, which means when talking dy by dx, or it is denoted as y1 or y dash, or if your function has been defined y equal to fx, then f dash x, all this becomes first order derivatives. That means you are differentiating function just once. If you want to differentiate it once more, then dy dx of dy upon dx, which is usually represented d2y by dx2, or y2 or y double dash or f double dash x. This is second order derivative. Likewise, this is the third order derivatives, and the same way it will be continue. But in 12th class we have to study up to second order derivatives. So now let's get started the questions. In 12th class we have to study up to second order derivatives. So now let's get started the questions. See the first question. Find the second order derivatives of the function. The function is given that x square plus 3x plus 2. So first of all, we will suppose this function will be equal to y. So let y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. And now we have to find out second order derivative. It means we have to find out d2y by dx2. So now first of all we will find out the first order derivative, differentiating with respect to x. So now dy by dx equal to 2x plus 3. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So now d2y by dx2 equal to 2. So this is your second order derivatives. Second question, find the second order derivatives of the function, and the function is given that x to the power 20. So now the same way, let y equal to x to the power 20, and now differentiating with respect to x. So now we can write dy by dx equal to 20x to the power 19, and now again differentiating with respect to x, d2y by dx2 equal to 20 into 19x to the power 18, and now multiply this 380x to the power 18. So now this is your answer. Third question, find the second order derivatives of the function, and the function is x into cos x. So let y equal to x into cos x, differentiating with respect to x. So now dy by dx equal to, and now see here, this is the first function and this is the second function, and the product of two function is here. So using the product of two function formula, so now expand it by the formula, the first function into dy by dx of second function plus second function into dy by dx of first function, and now differentiate it. So x into the derivative of cos x minus sin x plus cos x, the derivative of x is 1, तो we get minus x sin x plus cos x. So this is the first derivative, and now again differentiating with respect to x, then we can write d2y by dx2 equal to, so now minus dy dx of x sin x plus dy dx of cos x. So now again see here, this is the product of two function. So now again using the product of two function formula, so minus is a whole common, and now the first function into derivative of second function sin x, it will be cos x plus second function sin x, and the derivative of first function x is 1 plus, and the derivative of cos x minus sin x. And now open the bracket and simplify this. So minus x cos x and minus plus minus sin x and plus minus minus sin x. And now simplify this. So we get d2y by dx2 equal to minus x cos x minus sin x minus 2 sin x. So now this is your answer. Next question, find the second order derivatives of the function, and the function is here log x. So now let y equal to log x. So differentiating with respect to x, then we can write dy by dx. The differentiation of log x, we know that the direct formula of log x 1 upon x. Now again differentiating with respect to x, now we can write d2y by dx2 equal to, and the differentiation of 1 by x, it will be minus 1 upon x square. Now this is your answer. Question number 5. Find the second order derivatives of the function, and the function is here x cube log x. So now let y equal to x cube log x, and now differentiating with respect to x. So now we can write dy by dx equal to, and now see here the function is in the form of multiplication, so using the product of two function. So now this is the first function and this is the second function. So now expand it by the formula, the first function into d by dx of second function plus second function into d by dx of first function, and now differentiate it. X cube, the derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into the derivative of x cube, it will be 3x square, and now 1x is cancelled out. So here left x square plus 3x square into log x, and now see here x square is common factor. So now from here left 1 plus 3 log x. So this is the dy by dx equal to x square in bracket 1 plus 3 log x, and now we have to find out the second derivative. So now again differentiating with respect to x. So now d2y by dx2 equal to, and now see here the function is again here this first function and this is the second function. So now using the product of two function, so x square, this is the first function into derivative of second function. So now the differentiation of second function, so d by dx of 1 plus 3 log x plus second function into dy dx of first function x square, and now differentiate it x square, and now the dy dx of 1 plus 3 log x, so 1, it will be 0, 3 log x, 3 is the coefficient, log x, the derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus 1 plus 3 log x, and the derivative of x square is 2x, x square into 3 upon x plus, and now multiply by 2x, so now we can write 2x plus 6x log x, 1x is cancel out, and here left 3x plus 2x plus 6x log x, and now simplify this 3x plus 2x, it will be 5x plus 6x log x, and now see here the x is a common factor, so now taking the common factor x inside the bracket, 5 plus 6 log x. So this is the second derivative. So d2y by dx2 equal to x into in bracket 5 plus 6 log x. So this is your answer. Question number 6. Find the second derivatives of the function, and the function is here e to the power x sin 5x. So now similarly let us suppose y equal to e to the power x into sin 5x, and the function is here in the product form. So now using here product of two function, so this is the first function and the second function. So now differentiating with respect to x, so dy by dx equal to the first function into differentiation of second function dy dx of sin 5x plus second function sin 5x into dy dx of first function e to the power x, and now differentiate it to e to the power x, and the derivative of sin 5x cos 5x into derivative of 5x into 5 plus sin 5x into derivative of e to the power x. So now the differentiation of e to the power x is the same e to the power x, and now simplify this. So now see here e to the power x and here e to the power x, so now taking the common factor e to the power x, and from here left 5 cos 5x, and from here plus sin 5x. So this is the first derivative, and now again differentiating with respect to x. So d2y by dx2 equal to, and now see here this is the first function and this is the second function. So now the first function e to the power x into dy dx of second function 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x plus second function 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x into dy dx of e to the power x. Now differentiate it to e to the power x into 5 is the coefficient, the derivative of cos 5x, so minus sin 5x into derivative of 5x, it will be 5 plus sin 5x, the derivative of sin 5x cos 5x into derivative of a small function 5x 5 plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x into, and now the derivative of e to the power x, it will be the same e to the power x, and now simplify this, the e to the power x, and now 5 5 जा 25 and the minus, तो minus 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus e to the power x 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. And now see, in this term e to the power x is here and in this term e to the power x is here. So now e to the power x is a whole common. So now taking the common factor e to the power x, and from here left minus 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x, and from here plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Now e to the power x, and now see in this expression this is the sin 5x and sin 5x. So now both are the like term, to minus 25 and here is plus 1 sin 5x, so minus 25 plus 1 minus 24 sin 5x, and cos 5x 5 cos 5x 5 cos 5x plus 10 cos 5x. And now see here 2 is a common factor, so now 2 e to the power x, and from here left minus 12 and from here 5. So now the positive sign will be right firstly, then we can write 5 cos 5x, and this negative minus, after taking 2 here it will be left minus 12 sin 5x. So this is the second derivative. So now this is your answer. And now the seventh question, find the second order derivatives of the function, and the function is tan inverse x. So now let us suppose y equal to tan inverse x, and now differentiating with respect to x. So now we can write dy by dx, and we know that the direct formula of tan inverse x, the derivative of tan inverse x, we can write 1 plus x square. And now dy by dx, and now we can write 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 1. And now again differentiating with respect to x. So now d2y upon dx2 equal to, and now here using the formula x to the power n. So now the derivative of this function we can write minus 1 plus x square to the power minus 2 into derivative of 1 plus x square. So differentiation of 0 x square, it will be 2x. So now 0 plus 2x. So now multiply to minus 2x 1 plus x square whole to the power minus 2. And now we can write minus 2x upon 1 plus x square whole to the power plus 2. So now this is the second derivative. So this is your answer. Question number 8. Find the second order derivatives of the function, and the function is log of log x. So now let y equal to log of log x. So now differentiating with respect to x. So we can write dy by dx equal to, and the derivative of log x, 1 upon log x into derivative of log x into 1 by x. So now we can simplify x log x. This is the first order derivatives. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So now d2y upon dx2 equal to dy dx of 1 upon x log x. We can write x log x whole to the power minus 1. And now differentiate it. So now using the formula x to the power n. So minus 1 x log x to the power minus 2. And the differentiation of second function x log x. So now using the product of two function, the first function into derivative of second function 1 by x plus second function into derivative of first function x is 1. X cancel out. तो माइनस 1 अपॉन x log x होल टू द पावर प्लस 2. स्टूडेंट्स माइनस 2 को जब नीचे लाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, पावर पे प्लस 2. एंड नाउ हियर लेफ्ट 1 प्लस log x. एंड नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस. तो नाउ वी कैन राइट माइनस 1 प्लस log x अपॉन x log x whole square. So now this is the second derivative. This is your answer. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के ज़रूर बताएं और हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. और जो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे चैनल पे नए जुड़े हैं वो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें ताकि हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.